Hello, my name is Dr. Byron Howell. I'll be your instructor for Management 6500, Managing People and Organizations. People expect someone with an MBA to have some skills that are necessary to work with people and do a good job um, in situations where they're expected to show a leadership role. People are different. You're going to run across people with different personalities. Some will be easy to work with, and some will be a real challenge. Um, you will likely be managing people at some point in your career, and this course can help you get ready for that. This 8-week course will include, among other things, a cultural interview and a final project where you'll be taking a look and doing a deep dive into an organizational challenge that you will select and to investigate that and to make recommendations for it. If the class is large enough, then I generally will create a couple of groups so that discussion questions, you won't have to wade through everyone in the class, but it'll be a little more manageable. So you may find yourself as part of a group, and that group will be useful in helping you to wade through and look at discussion comments and questions by some of your classmates, but do not be overwhelmed by all of them. There also is an announcement link. You're probably already familiar with this, but on the left side of the Canvas screen, there's an announcement section. Keep an eye out there. If I need to communicate with the class, I will often use that announcement link to reach out to you to give some advice or instruction as we make our way through the class. My background includes several different jobs. I was a school teacher for a while, public school teacher, and I was an automotive engineer for Ford Motor Company, doing finite element analysis. I also was a software developer for a scientific software company. And it was at that scientific software company as a software developer that I made a move into management. And for about 10 years, I managed software development and then tech support and then operations and then IT. Gave me some experience with managing people, and I realized I enjoyed the challenges of people management as well as the challenges associated with the technical side of things in industry. I went from there to working as a project manager for Sun Microsystems and then for Oracle, two big computer companies, as a consulting IT project manager, traveling around the country and working with various companies to help put in place and configure different kinds of software and hardware packages on various projects. And from an academic standpoint, I have a master's degree in math, I have an MBA, and I have a PhD in the management of engineering and technology. So it's a business administration PhD. I moved here to Searcy a few years ago because I wanted to come back and give something back to Harding, come back and teach at Harding University. I thoroughly enjoy being here, and I enjoy teaching, and I enjoy the Harding family. It's a great MBA program, and I always learn something. I always look forward to learning from my students and fellow instructors as well. I attended Harding University as an undergraduate, and my wife did as well. We have 3 sons. One was a missionary in Africa, and he now teaches at Harding University in the Bible program. And I have another son who's a youth minister, and a third son who has a PhD in mechanical engineering from Georgia Tech. Each of my sons is married. They each have 3 children, so I've got 9 grandchildren. And if you track me down sometime and ask for pictures, I'll be glad to show you some. Let me know if I can help you in any way. If you run into problems, don't struggle with it. Reach out to me and let me know how I can help you to be successful. I look forward to our class together.